So to get your iPhone to work, you have to get a special connector for in here. It's the USB. I've got mine on the cable to my lightning, and then I'm going to plug it into the phone. As soon as you plug in, it says USB load iPod, and then it starts playing, and obviously you can change it in your library. Really easy, starts instantly. I was using before that, if I can find it, I was using this double-sided jack plug in the exhaust auxiliary port. You'd be better off with a lead if you do try that. But it does still work. You put it in, put your phone on it, and then it'll play auxiliary. So just get that lead if I was you, and connect it that way. Or you can get an auxiliary lead, and that'll do the same thing.